So hi everyone, this is Airs Online Shop and today you will watch review and comparison of two best power screwdrivers online. They are both bought thousands this month with exceptional ratings. Remember, the second product is number one in power screwdrivers and has been bought by 8,000 plus individuals in the past month. So let's get started. Initially we have a Hoto rechargeable 3.6 volt electric screwdriver set which contains one electric screwdriver, 12 screwdriver bits, one storage box, one Type-C cable with a lithium-ion battery. It can be used for furniture assembly, light DIY projects, electrical repairs and some other tasks that require a portable bit. Its further specifications include material is alloy steel, speed is 220 rpm, 3.6 volt, item torque is 4 Newton meter and power of this electric screwdriver is 21 watts. If we talk about its special features, it has 4-stage rotating knob to adjust torques up to 4 Newton meter and each torque level serves different purpose. It also exhibits a ring LED and has frosted aluminum alloy storage box which is scratch proof. So yeah, if you like this video then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. It has been ranked number 2 in power screwdrivers with an exceptional 4.6 star ratings out of 5 and 78% individuals have rated this product 5 out of 5 stars. And the price of this product is only $60 with 14% off and 4,000 plus individuals have bought this product in the past month. It's Amazon's choice too, so if you want to buy this product click the link in the description and have this. And next we have a Fentic E1 Max 3.7 volt mini electric precision screwdriver set which contains 50 magnetic bits in it. And 50 pieces include precision bits, one precision electric screwdriver, one USB Type-C cable, one aluminum alloy magnetic case. It can be used for watches, phones, switches, drones, hard disks, laptops and many more, but they are not suitable for PC assembly. For higher torque, you have to buy their S1 Pro screwdriver. Its further specifications include rotational speed of 200 rpm, battery capacity is 350 mAh with 3.7 volts and maximum of 3 Newton meter torque. And talking about its special features, it has two torque settings, low and higher torque from 0.05 Newton meter to 0.2 Newton meter, but on manual mode its torque is 3 Newton meter. It also contains a ring LED and have a magnetic storage box which keeps the bits orderly in a place. It has been ranked number 1 in power screwdrivers with exceptional 4.6 stars ratings and the price of this product is only $53 with 34% off and 8,000 plus individuals have bought this product in a past month. It's Amazon's choice too, so if you want to buy this product just click the link in the description and have this product. And now let's move to the comparisons of these two products. The ratings of both the power screwdrivers is same which is 4.6 stars. Discount on the Hoto power screwdriver is 14% while that of Fentic screwdriver is 34%. Hoto screwdriver has been bought by 4,000 plus individuals in the past month while Fentic screwdriver has been bought by 8,000 plus individuals in the past month, double than the Hoto screwdriver. Hoto screwdriver kit is 12 pieces while that of Fentic screwdriver is 50 pieces. Voltage and ampere of Hoto screwdriver is 3.6 volt and 1.5 ampere while that of Fentic is only 3.7 volt and 0.3 ampere. Maximum torque of Hoto screwdriver is 4 Newton meter while that of Fentic is only 3 Newton meter. Material of the Hoto screwdriver is alloy steel while that of Fentic is magnetic. Talking about the special features in both of the screwdrivers, Hoto has 4 torque settings up to 4 Newton meter. While talking about the special feature of Fentic screwdriver, it contains a magnetic box which holds the bit more tightly than anything. The price of Hoto screwdriver is $60 while that of Fentic is only $53. Remember, Hoto screwdriver is only 14% off while Fentic screwdriver is 34% off and Fentic screwdriver is 50 pieces while that of Hoto is 12 pieces. Talking about the ranking of these screwdrivers, Hoto screwdriver has been ranked number 2 and Fentic screwdriver has been ranked number 1. Hoto screwdriver drives 1000 screws on a single charge while that of Fentic screwdriver drives only 400 screws on a single charge. If we talk about a bit more, Hoto screwdriver is more powerful than the Fentic screwdriver, but Fentic screwdriver can be used for precision tasks more precisely than Hoto screwdriver. Battery capacity of the Hoto screwdriver is also greater than almost 2.5 times of the Fentic screwdriver. The Fentic screwdriver can be used for more precision tasks, that's its edge, while Hoto can be used for powerful purposes. That's its edge. So, yet, if you like this video, then kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you have any queries or questions, then comment it below. I'll answer you. Thank you so much.